So hello friend, today we will discuss about some terminology of the boiler safety valve. Boiler safety valve already marine engineer already know to ensure the safety of the boiler. So here we will discuss about the boiler safety valve some terminology like popping pressure, setting pressures. Popping pressure is the setting pressure when this safety valve start to pop up, like setting of the setting pressures. Lifting pressure is called the popping pressure. When safety valve is start to lift, it is called popping pressures. Now we will discuss here. Now you assume that boiler is safety valve, boiler working pressure is 10 bar, safety valve lifting pressure is 12 bar. So when 10 bar, boiler increasing the pressure 11 bar coming, and then suddenly 12 bar coming. When 12 bar is just coming, then this valve before sitting, so it start to pop up, little lift. Only this little lift. After little lift, then steam going to this lip area of the boiler disc. So its area before acting on this lip, this one time when start to pop up or acting before the lip of the disc is called simmering. So when 12 are coming and disc start to lift, after lift, before acting on this lip of the valve, this short span of the time is called simmering. So little time for the simmering of the valve is called very split time of the few seconds. Then while start to simmer, then acting on the lip acting, then more pressure of this, more velocity of the steam pressures and acting as a boiler pressure. Both boiler steam pressure also, velocity of the steam acting towards the lip of this disc and valve lift more. Valve lift more. Then all steam going after drop the pressures. When valve lift more, pressure dropping coming to 12 bar. Then again, because valve cannot sit 12 bar because still acting on the lip of the valve. So more pressure is there. When reactive valve pressure is coming to 11 bar, is disc is firmly sit on the seat. This is called sitting pressures. Valve again sit. Valve again sit to the firmly sit without leakage. It's sitting onto the seat is called sitting pressure. Sitting pressure ensure that there is no leakage of the valve. Now we already learned about popping pressure, sitting pressure, now blow down. So what is blow down? So we already know 12 bar is the setting popping pressure or 11 bar is the sitting pressures and working pressure is 10 bar of the boiler. So the difference between the popping pressures and the sitting pressure is called the blow down. Blow down ensure proper sitting of the boiler, proper sitting of the disc. If no blow down, there is no proper sitting because you understand here. Now you suppose there is a popping pressure and sitting pressure is same. So maybe 12 bar is same, 12 bar coming pressure, then water start to simmer, after pop up and start to simmer, and then full lift. This is also sitting pressure also. So valve doesn't know it start to pop up or start to sit back. So sitting pressure, this control decisions start to open or start to sit. So it start to open or sit back, open, sit back. Because of the open pressure, sitting pressure same, that's why this valve disc start to open, sit back to disc. Start to open and sit back to disc. This phenomena is called like chattering. Coming sound of the gunning, it's called chatter sound. That's why it's called chattering. So there is no blow down, then valve start to chattering. So it is ensured to remove the chattering effect. It is danger for the valve and disc. Valve or seat is very difficult. Valve seat and valve disc start to damage if too much chattering also. So blow down is ensured to remove the chattering effect also. And blowdown also ensure proper sitting to ensure no leakage. Now one more phenomena we will understand here, wide drawing effect. Wide drawing effect is considered here. So wide drawing effect we will discuss later. First we discuss the adjustment of this blowdown or blowback. How do you adjust this? You already know that popping pressure, disc open and close. We can how much pressure is start open. This depend on two pressures. It is working pressures. This nut we can adjust the nut or change this pressure setting, or we can this spring increase or decrease tensions. We adjust this it popping pressures. Same condition we can adjust the blowdown also by turning this screw. Here have this guide, this adjusting ring. It is called adjusting ring, blow down adjusting ring. So by this adjusting ring, this screw, we can adjust blow down. How? You will learn here. If this adjusting ring it adjusts like this become wider, going down, means it's become wider space, more space there for leakage, the steam. So when valves start to open, leakage more because of this adjusting ring wider, going down, wider the space, more space to escape the steam. More space, more area means steam velocity is reduced. When steam velocity reduces, less steam acting on the lip of the disc. So less popping action is carrying, less lifting it up, less lifting of the disc. When less lifting, the sitting pressure is higher because less lifting. So when suddenly like 12 bar start to lift or 11.5 you start to sit back. So this blow down before is reduced. Because blow down reduced, because less steam is acting on the lip. When you adjusting it move up, less area, more steam pressure acting on the lip of the disc. So velocity of the steam also and this boiler pressure both is acting to lift the disc. More disc lift, so more sitting pressure also there, more steam pressure going down. So here this sitting pressure is 11 bar. So 12 minus 11 to 1 bar. So here this blow down is increased 1 bar. More steam is going to escape. So if blow down increasing or decreasing by adjusting this adjusting ring. So adjusting this wider the space, less steam pressures acting on the pop-up lip of the disc and decrease the blow down. If you adjust this adjusting string, closer it, and this more steam pressure acting on the lip, and this one increase the blow down. So increase or decrease the blow down by this adjusting ring. Now we come to the wide drawing effect. So wide drawing effect basically is here. If this shape of this disc or seat is like that, if its area is wider the area, less the steam velocity, less the blow down also, or less the blow down, wide drawing effect also less. If it's going to closure, less the surface area, more the steam velocity, or steam start to cutting the edges, more steam velocity, steam start to cutting the edges, cutting effect of the steam, then this wide drawing effect coming into play. So we have to adjust the blow down in such a way there is no wide drawing effect also or correct blow down also. If you increase the blow down, then means you adjusting too much the spring, adjusting ring, then wide drawing effect is coming. So you have to adjust this such a way that there is not too much Wire effect also, not too much, less blowdown also. Thank you so much.